a game changer for DIY enthusiasts and tradespeople alike. Wickes, a leading DIY retailer, has just unveiled a revolutionary new service in 150 stores nationwide. This exciting development is a game changer for those last-minute shoppers who need essential DIY supplies delivered within hours. But here's where it gets controversial. Wickes has partnered with Goffer, a last-mile delivery specialist, to offer lightning-fast deliveries, promising to get your DIY essentials from store to doorstep in just 2 to 3 hours. The service, dubbed Wickes Rapid, is powered by Goffer's Trade Network, which is specifically designed for the construction and DIY industries. This means reliable delivery for everything from small tools to large materials. The collaboration couldn't have come at a better time. With more shoppers demanding faster and more convenient shopping experiences, and tradespeople looking to save time and cut costs, Wickes is stepping up to meet these changing needs. By teaming up with Goffer, Wickes is aiming to provide a seamless and efficient shopping experience. Customers can now order anything from the store's full range, with deliveries available via motorbike for smaller tools and items, or large vans for bulkier orders like doors, timber, and flooring. Orders can be placed 7 days a week during normal store hours, giving customers the flexibility to plan their projects around their busy schedules. Each delivery comes with live GPS tracking, proof of delivery, and real-time notifications, ensuring customers can monitor their order's progress from checkout to doorstep. The service is also integrated with Metapack, a delivery management platform, which automatically allocates orders to drivers and provides full visibility for both customers and store teams. Stephen Blair, Chief Operating Officer at Wickes, emphasized the importance of this new service. "We know our customers want convenience and speed. With our new partnership with Goffer, they can now have everything they need delivered straight to their doorstep in just a few hours." Graham Smith, Strategic Account Director at Goffer, added, "The growing demand for our trades service is a testament to its quality and the value it brings. Same-day delivery isn't just for small items. With Wickes, we're delivering larger items like doors and timber to doorsteps and job sites across the country in just a few hours." The launch of Wickes Rapid is a significant milestone for the retailer, as it continues to adapt to the needs of modern shoppers. With same-day delivery, Wickes is positioning itself as the ultimate destination for tradespeople and DIY enthusiasts who need materials fast. So, for anyone embarking on a home project or managing a job site, the message is clear. Order it, track it, and get it delivered within hours. And this is the part most people miss. Wickes isn't just about DIY materials. They've also got a range of affordable DIY hacks to help you get creative while saving money. From homemade air fresheners to upcycled tin can planters, custom phone stands to natural lip scrubs, Wickes has got you covered. So, are you ready to give these DIY hacks a go? And what do you think about Wickes' new same-day delivery service? Let us know in the comments below.